I'm not joking. I remember the exact day that I overslept because I was supposed to go fishing with my first father-in-law.
Oh!
But he wasn't my father-in-law yet. I stood him up. Here, answer it.
The Heim! All right, put your boots on. I got half a cup of coffee. It's all yours. Come on, you're coming hunting with us.
Oh, great. I got a huge long message from Beth. This is not good.
I was saying. Is Izzy pooping all over the place?
I'm in trouble.
What? What happened?
You left a bunch of lights on. Izzy whining like crazy. I let her out of Nevin's room, and now she won't stop whining at my door. I just want her to go. I just want to go back to sleep.
Now, so what do you do at this point? Do you text her back right now and bluff and say, "I'm so sorry, honey. I can come back right now"?
No, I'm not gonna say that.
Would she say yes?
I'm not gonna go back, turn off the lights right now. I mean, she's there with the door shut. What does it matter if the lights are on or not?
I know, and that's what Larissa says. I know I left the bathroom light on in the basement, and she's gonna say, "You left the bathroom light on in the basement. Now I can't go back to sleep."
I don't know what to tell her about Izzy. She's gonna be really pissed about Izzy whining so much. Well, so the dog is at Beth's, my wife's door, whining and crying because she's not getting to go, which I predicted that she would. No, I don't know. Let's just ignore that text or what. I'm not going back there. I'm gonna put it's Dan's fault.
Yeah, yeah, that's a good idea. It's Dan's fault. He was supposed to come inside, wake me up, and shut off all the lights.
Here's what I came up with.
What'd you say?
I'm so sorry I overslept and was in a rush. I'd say put Izzy downstairs in the kennel or just wait until she stops. So sorry, but I've got to pick out the correct emoticon here.
Sad face.
That's what I was thinking with this guy right there. The emoticon is really important.
Do you use them really?
Yeah.
Tell me your theory about the emoticons.
Beth will read into a message based on the amount of exclamation marks that there are in the text.
Really? Should I use that? Should I start doing that?
Well, not improperly.
Like, I'm on the cusp of using emoticons. It feels unsincere.
No.
But you really think the wives like them?
It's like he didn't use a sad face. He's not really sorry. There's the difference. It's like he doesn't care. He's just saying that without emoticon. With emoticon, it's, oh, look at that sad little yellow face. He really is sad.
Yeah. You know, I've heard this. I don't know if it's true, but like 90% of language is not even verbal.
Yeah. It's like 10%'s verbal, 5%'s emoticon, and the rest is facial expression.
You know, and I remember that because when I was in Guatemala, people really did understand what I was saying, and all I was doing was.
Oh, here comes the man.
Do you think like 1, 2 3/4 lead load would blow that lock off?
Because that lock was so thick.
I know.
You don't have anything in your possession that's going to blow that lock off, I don't think.
They did that in Mythbusters, I think. I just forgot.
So today we got 1 day permission to go to a super special place where Dan shot a turkey last year. Last year we came in here 1 day and shot a turkey. So we got 1 day permission to hunt this golden spot that's actually leased out to some guys, but they gave us permission for 1 day. I don't know what he's got. Who knows with Dan? Well, we got a nice little setup here. Got old Dan to the right and the Heim behind me. Should be gobbling by now, but we're not hearing any gobbles or anything. But they might just be quiet on the roost this morning, so see something in the next hour or so. Boy, that's a nice deer. So we still haven't seen any action or activity or any turkeys at all. But there's a blind right back behind us on another guy's land. And we looked up and there's a decoy right under the blind. And we think there's a guy right behind us in this blind that didn't say anything. There's a blind right there. That's another guy's land. We're right on the line of the land. There's that guy's decoy. We're sitting literally, 10 yards from that guy?
Yeah.
And he doesn't, we can walk in and he doesn't say anything.
Ton of noise.
Well, what should we do?
I don't know.
We could kill him.
That's the thing about it. Yeah. Dan likes to eat possum. We could really widen his. Want
to eat that guy? Funny thing is, if we encouraged Dan, he probably would. Let's talk Dan into crawling up that ladder and knocking on that guy's door.
Dan, go have a conversation with that guy. He's right behind you.
You don't think that guy's up in there?
I'll bet you $1 he's not there. I'm gonna go up there and knock on the door.
No one's in there?
No one's in there.
I guess no one's there. What's our plan, guys?
Well, we kind of blew this when we got up to investigate a neighbor.
We could either we can sit tight for a while longer or move around. I don't care.
We could walk straight down the hill, and we've really got a good opportunity to walk around and kind of stalk. And
it's a turkey. Yeah, it's a turkey. I don't know what's going on, but Dan and Jeff belly crawled up there. And Jeff turned around and gestured that they are seeing some turkeys around the corner. So we came out down this lane. We tried to sneak out, but the turkey was in the field. I think we scared it. I'm gonna go peek around the corner here real quick. That turkey took off. It's another field we're trying to head over to where we can look down in. Turkeys use a lot.
I always thought that was neat.
What is it?
It's just a stone wall, so we've been in it for erosion control. We probably had a little pond behind it or something, or it was just a crossing, because there's a whole bunch of little houses in here.
Really?
Yeah.
How old do you think that is?
Well, I mean, 1865 is when I don't know when they opened up the border. Go up here.
We don't have time to build a little fire and eat some soup, do we?
Absolutely, that's great.
This place right here is pretty awesome.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's up to you guys. I don't want to.
Let's do it. No, let's do it.
Just put up a little fire right here and just have.
And I'll crawl up there, just right on the edge of the field, and just kind of look. And if I see turkey,
because this is area we could build a fire and probably not disturb anything.
Do you have a lighter?
Yeah, I got it.
Sticks, Dan. I've read about it on the internet for a week.
So we came across this beautiful spot on the Hans land here, and I'd like to just spend a little time here. It's so beautiful. So we're gonna pop up a little fire and cook a little soup. I just want to spend a little time here. This place is amazing. I wish that the video camera was able to capture how beautiful some of these places are, because I know when I look the video, I know they look kind of cool, but man, they're incredible. These places are incredible. How many people would guess this is Kansas?
I think it was Washington State.
When we build a fire out here, we're always cheaters. We bring a little bit of quick light.
Yeah. It's
Hey,
light. It's easy.
I'm all for making things easier.
Yeah.
We want a fire. We want it up quick. I wonder how long I could hang out here before I got bored.
You know what they say about like water? Like if you have an office or a living room or something, if you have the flow of running water, it's like
Makes you have to pee.
no, it's like ushers in a sense of peace and like renewal.
Well, we make the most of our outings, don't we, Dan?
Yeah.
Honestly, most people, they go out, they set up their decoy. If they don't get anything, they just walk out and go home.
Yeah, it ain't about just killing things. You know?
Yeah. It's about being in it, sitting down and enjoying your spot.
Feeling so small yet so big all at the same time.
I'm glad you came, Jeff.
Oh, I appreciate it. Appreciate you letting me tag along without camo on.
None of this happens without you. Look at those sun rays coming down through the canopy. Well, soup consumed. We're gonna slip up the creek and see if we can stalk. So we're gonna try to sneak out there, get a look, see if we can identify him here, real carefully and gently. We got a decoy out in the field back behind us, and Dan's waiting, but I don't think it's gonna happen today.